Well, cold temperatures across the valley to start the new year, and we do have a couple more cold nights still in the forecast coming up. So a freeze warning though is in effect tonight. If you're tuning in just a little bit earlier, we told you that some places may be near or just below freezing tonight. Maybe not everywhere because we still have a lot of clouds out there and a little breeze from the north. But through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, a freeze warning in effect for all the valley counties and even the counties north of the valley where it is colder, just north of the area up toward the hill country. So right now, temperature's not really changing very much over the last few hours, kind of hovering in the mid-30s, even upper 30s in spots. And we probably won't be seeing a big drop in temperatures, kind of just gradually falling off a few degrees throughout the night. But we're 37 in Harlingen, 35 in Rio Grande City, and 39 in Brownsville. And this evening, the temperatures, you still might have just a little bit of mist or drizzle out there for the next hour or two, but we're looking at mainly just clouds around this evening and tonight, and temperatures falling a couple degrees through the 30s. And maybe down close to freezing late tonight. I think your better chance of freezing temperatures is the farther west you are in Starr County and northwestern Hidalgo County. So cold tonight, lows around 31 in Rio Grande City, 34 in Harlingen, and above freezing right along the coast, of course, at South Padre Island, Port Isabel, Port Mansfield will stay above freezing. Now, there is also a wind chill advisory in effect through tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Wind chill, which is the apparent temperature. Say you go outside with a short sleeve shirt on and you feel the wind go across your arm. That cooling effect you feel is the wind chill, and it feels like it's in the 20s. It feels like you're standing in a calm bunch of air with temperatures in the 20s if you go out there right now with exposed skin. And it feels like temperature right now, you see 29 in Weslaco, 28 in Port Isabel. A few places are back around 30 or so, 31 the apparent temperature. Again, this is the wind chill or the feels like temperature right now, which will probably hover in that range throughout the night. Now your day planner tomorrow will start off near freezing in some areas in the morning, but tomorrow might be a couple degrees warmer, but not because of any sunshine. It does look like it should be a cloudy day tomorrow, and temperatures as a result may only get to about 40 or 42 at the most across the valley for highs tomorrow, which means, again, we don't have much lower to go tomorrow night to hit freezing again. Now the satellite radar, you see a lot of thick clouds across the area and occasionally some sprinkles, but most of them are gone, and I think most of the night is looking dry. Future track shows any sprinkles staying out in the Gulf tonight. And you notice overnight clouds around, cold temperatures by tomorrow morning, still lots of clouds and cold temperatures. A few spots maybe right around freezing or a degree or so below briefly at times. So kind of watch out for freezing temperatures late tonight and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we have a cold day too with clouds. We may only get to about 40 degrees or so. Notice though, this is the key to tomorrow night, how the clouds you see on the edge of the screen on the left side of your television start to move on out tomorrow night. So if those clouds are able to break up fast enough, we could see a better chance of freezing temperatures late tomorrow night. And you notice it goes from west to east, so your colder temperatures will be farther west across Starr County and western Hidalgo County likely tomorrow. And then Wednesday is a sunny day with temperatures back at least in the 50s, it looks like, by afternoon, but it's still a very cool day on Wednesday. And with clear skies and calm winds for the most part Thursday morning, we may be close to freezing in some areas or a degree or two below on Thursday. But Thursday is one of those days where or mornings where, you know, it might get down below freezing for a couple of hours in spots, but not looking for a cold night where it's going to sit below freezing for many, many hours. You know, it's just a brief round of some chilly temperatures. So tonight, down to about 33 degrees, a freeze warning in effect. Still maybe a little bit of spotty drizzle early this evening, but northerly winds around 5 to 13 miles per hour, a little stronger at the coast. And tomorrow, still a light breeze from the north, but again, a little stronger at the coast, around 20 to 25 miles per hour there. Highs only near 41 degrees with clouds all day, and it should be a dry day across the area. But notice the next 3 mornings, which means the next few nights out there, are going to be kind of chilly. 33 for a low tomorrow morning, 29 on Wednesday morning. That's if the clouds are able to clear out. And then Thursday morning could still reach maybe a little below freezing, but you notice the temperatures start to warm up with more sunshine back in the 50s Wednesday afternoon, 60s by Thursday afternoon, and by the weekend we could easily be back in the 70s. But as the warm air comes back, it may cloud up a bit on Friday and Saturday, and if it does, we may have some sprinkles or a light rain shower in spots on Friday and Saturday, but rain chances are not really great, only at about 20%. So we do have some cold weather in the next few days. We'll continue to track it and have a look at tomorrow night's freeze potential coming up later this hour. Dina?